Go for it.
This is the everything in your fridge challenge. Gonna die.
Most likely.
Oh God.
Oh, do I even want it? Let's check out the color so far. Ooh.
Oh.
That's a nice egg color.
Everything liquid in your fridge has to go in this beverage. Oh God, I'm gonna die. This is gonna die though.
No, you're gonna reach for the fish oil pills.
I'm putting straight up tomato juice in there. Let me at least mix it first.
Oh my God, man. This is horrible.
Can you smell it? Oh!
Look. Oh! Oh!
Oh, it's chunky.
I can't. Oh, man.
Dude, this is gonna suck.
Oh.
Mango juice. This smells like straight ass. Oh.
I don't want to smell it.
Mm-hmm. Smell it.
Oh! Oh, God! That is horrible. Oh. Can you pour
Ocean spray diet.
You want to pour a dash of cologne in there?
No, I don't want to pour a dash of cologne in there. I really hope that makes it taste better, even though it's diet.
When you poured it in, it wasn't like a liquid. It didn't splash in. It just kind of... Like, I'm watching the cover right now, and it's disgusting.
Oh my God.
It's just forming a solid on the bottom.
This is disgusting. Why did I come up with this challenge?
Mix this. You gotta mix it too.
I still have to pour this in. Should I put some Nesquik in there?
Yes. Nesquik you do not have to use. It's just gonna be for a little extra flavor. That is a disgusting color, and it looks like raw. It's a little discolored here.
This is discolored everywhere. There's nothing else in the fridge, right?
Oh God. Wait a minute.
There's... Oh my God.
Smell it! Smell it!
Joe, I passed over this.
Oh.
Peppermint.
Oh God. So bad. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Wonderful.
Oh wait, no. I still have this stuff.
Wait, what do you...
Is this a liquid?
I guess. If you want to consider liquids, you have that whole shelf in there.
Yup. Ranch is not a liquid. Worcestershire sauce. The Troy soy sauce. Cocktail sauce. That's not a sauce, that's a liquid. Raspberry vinaigrette. Light, because I'm watching my weight. Italian dressing. This is about to be bad. Teriyaki sauce.
This is a warning. I'm just not even going to try it, even if you like start crying to tell me to try it. I'm not going to do it.
Whipped cream. Oh, I have to pop the cat thing.
Oh my.
I think that's it.
Yeah, that should be fine. You're going to die either way at the end of this, so.
Pickle juice. Stop pickles then. Okay. Teriyaki sauce.
Mm.
Delicious. I'm getting Japanese and Italian up in here. Getting all kinds of crazy up in here. Oh God. Worcestershire sauce. Oh.
Oh, that was a very black liquid.
That was a good bit. Raspberry vinaigrette. I like the smell of it, so it better taste good.
Mm. The cup's getting more full. It's just going to be less you're going to drink.
Yep. Basically, soy sauce.
Oh,
Get that all up in there.
That is a lot.
These are all the liquids that have been put in there.
That's a lot.
Oh wait, this is a liquid.
Oh yeah. Oh, you've got the Nesquik. That's the last ingredient. Then you gotta mix it all up.
Yep. Got liquids in here, right? Nope. How many tablespoons?
17. Okay. Well, that was a lot to begin with. Wow. Yeah, just one, because you don't want to get rid of the flavors of everything else.
Oh my god.
That is a fantastic
It's so
color.
thick. It's like I like my women.
Thick and juicy. Oof. Oh my. Okay.
Oh god, just smell that.
Oh my god, it tastes... Oh my god, that is horrible.
There's bubbles forming on the top.
It literally smells like puke. Just to give everyone an idea. Oh god, here he goes.
I barely had any. I'm not drinking the rest of that.
It was that bad.
Yeah.
What did it taste like?
There's no way to describe that.
I would hope not. That is just terrible.
F that.